Welcome my people to one-on-one TV. How na day? We get more information for now. This one na because of say wetin we receive a strike from Apostle Suleiman. We no know bear because of say wetin the thing where we talk. It be like say the thing really pepper this man for body. Because of that one now, this man can't carry our matter for head. Say in the issue strike for us. But as we don't create another YouTube channel, so we go beg on and say make na try follow this one in case of any bad buzz will go happen. The link go there inside the comment section. Not be say this one go there close, so this one na just one like backup channel in case of anything will go happen. Now to wetin bring me come for today matter. This one na about Afghanistan. Some people for inside Afghanistan don't come outside, they cry. Say the Taliban people don't they come for them. I don't know, but in fact, when the peace go even come rain for this Afghanistan of a place. But I say, these people don't go the airport. They beg the US soldiers for Kabul airport. Say, I beg them. Say, may they allow them enter. Say, because of say what? Say these Taliban people, they don't they shoot everywhere. So they don't they beat people where they are and now them they decide now say now these people I ain't go travel. And say now these people self no go I don't know since when they carry authority give them this Taliban people they just enter and I don't they see what they happen. People I beg make now follow me watch this one.
I
Talibans waiting they happen because I don't know waiting I go even call on. It be like say on our own don dey only 12 days. When I just take power, see as everything don dey turn over. See as everywhere run dey scatter. And we gather say this Taliban gunmen because I don't even call them soldiers. Because these people now gun that they carry. We hear say they don't surround the whole of this airport. See as it be now, they don't take over the airport. And now them they talk say okay you if your face fine, behind a face they look. You go enter. If your face no fine, you no go enter. I bet which kind of thing come be this one? People say they won't come out from the country, say they don't like the place again. At least leave them may they go as long as a flight they will go carry them. Or not go allow them. And people who want stay to enjoy on our ruling, themselves they go stay. No be saying I'm going to do everything by force, by fire. And I hope so our country Nigeria no go turn out like this. Because now small like this now they start. Or like they say Boko Haram, they don't start their own. These people now since 20 years ago. So they don't come rich now. And I hear say again one man self where he don't come out from there since 20 years. As he be back, this man don't enter back. It be like say problem go even shele for this Afghanistan as he be. Because this whole takeover, it be like say he won't turn everything upside down. And US they don't tell us say make na come out na force for this place. And no so waiting then this forces still stay there they do. It be like say na no like on our life. I beg we want peace. Make people they pray for this country, make peace there for that side because this is where they happen now. Where parents and women don't they cry, it be like say they don't like this place. But I beg me I go advise, make na just calm down. Follow them, make na even listen to what these people get. If na don't they okay with if the country can una come out. This whole gra when they do, you know go lead na anywhere. I don't talk my own. My people I hear this story as make I bring and come, make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything you feel about this matter, make na don't forget to write and put inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video. Our president Muhammadu Buhari don't land inside isolation center. As we hear our president don't get coronavirus. Hey, Oga, you travel all the way to United Kingdom. The only thing where you see say you go fit bring back home for your people na sickness. Hey, it is for your body oh. But as we hear him, this president una know say this man go. Say he won't go for one educational summit. And say afterwards he go there go do normal checkup when they do as a regular. But as he be as head of state enter inside country, we hear say he don't catch coro. Where he get am from? Na only God know. Why be say boo you just even like bad luck? Anything we say you know good now they always carry. Come enter inside our country for us. But as he be we hear say this kind of matter we do am. Say no be anything. We go make anybody panic inside Nigeria. Say they go through the normal COVID-19 protocol. Say yes as in travel. Maybe the people wey don dey in contact with they fit get coronavirus. Now wetin make now they come put am inside isolation center say make him go through the due process. And say the normal officials self wey follow and go, all of them go make sure say wetin they do this test. And if they dey positive, themselves go enter isolation center. And if they're not they positive, now there they go really say, make them these people they carry themselves, they go house. I know say some people, I know say our they go they happy. I know say as now hear this news that they go they happy, say yes. Say the God of wonders go do something. But make a shock on her. They say on our president, they okay. Say nothing do. Hey, these people just want to play with us. Say people they strong and okay. I can't wonder, you they say now you they carry this sickness now enter Nigeria. But you don't see and say this thing now, it don't they go small. It be like say now you won't come carry this thing again, they come back to this place. And I beg I say now hospital checkup you go do. Why besides you did it, they don't know to say you don't get corona. Why besides now you can't enter Nigeria again? Now I'm say you can't decide say you won't get this one. And as you go there, if say you sit down for one place, all this kind of thing no go happen. Now so you carry your leg, only you go to Numbu place. Only you they walk up and down. If they say president, sit down for one place, you no go agree. Now you see say now you don't catch corona come. But I hope say this sickness, I hope say no be planting again. I hope say no be our governing people, they won't use and now take they chop money because now no say any small thing now. They go say they won't use phone, they do this. I hope say no be planting. But if true say this president get them, I hope say they go do all the necessary things because people will follow this man enter plane. I shall say by now, themselves they go don't contact this corona. Even the hair hostess and everybody will follow. I shall say by now, something go down there fishy on top of their own body. So I beg them, may they carry them, these people self go check them up where. If not vaccine, they go collect, may they collect. And I say this vaccine, it help suppress this thing. How come? What can be the essence of this whole vaccine of it? Because if let's say they collect them, still they test positive. I beg make na go do na findings where before na go carry any vaccine, they come outside again. Because this one, it go even give people more doubts for them to recollect them. But also our president now go treat them well. He go there okay, so that later he go fit come outside, come tell us the testimony. And I pray say nothing go do am because I know say people they pray make this man die. No be my mouth now go hear them. But I hope say president, you go there okay. Now here I go end this matter. My people, anything when I fear about them, make na don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video.